When one feels anxious or stressed out, our body initiates a stress response where our muscles tense, breathing becomes rapid, and the heart rate increases. Relaxation acts in opposition to this. As we learn to breathe deeply and relax our muscles, the breathing becomes slower and the anxiety gradually fades away. Let us now learn certain such mindful breathing exercises. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes every morning and evening to practice the same. Through the course of the day, when you are faced with taxing situations, use these exercises to calm yourself down. To begin with, loosen tight-fitting clothes if any. Sit back with your spine erect, uncross your legs, and rest your hands on your lap. You can also choose to lie down on your back. Now close your eyes. As your body relaxes, gently focus your attention on your breathing. Notice yourself taking slow, deep breaths, breathing in and out. While doing so, place one hand on your stomach. If you're breathing right and deeply enough, you should notice your hand rising and falling each time you inhale and exhale. Breathe in to the count of 3, hold for a count of 2, and breathe out while counting till 4. Breathe in 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue your breathing at this slow pace. As you breathe, gently start becoming aware of your breath. Notice the breath entering and leaving you. Follow it, not trying to change it in any way, but just feeling it as it passes through and leaves your nostrils. Notice each time you breathe in, the way the breath feels on your nostrils. As you deep breathe, feel the breath as it passes through your nasal passages and down your throat. Notice when the air enters your lungs. As you breathe out, notice the breath traveling up and out. Feel the breath in your throat, your mouth, and across your lips. Allow this awareness to deepen as you relax. Now gently bring your awareness to the physical sensations of your body, especially to those of touch, where your body makes contact with the chair or bed. With each breath, let go and sink a little deeper into the chair or bed. The mind usually loses its focus from the breath and the body from time to time and wanders. When you notice this happening, acknowledge it, noticing where the mind has gone off to, and then gently return your attention back on your body. Let us now try to focus our attention on each part of the body. As you breathe in, become aware of any tension or intense sensations in a particular part of the body. While you exhale, let go of this awareness and gently focus on the next part. Let us begin with your legs. The pelvic area, your back, the abdomen, the chest, your hands, shoulders, neck, and lastly, your face. Continue breathing, and while doing so, if you notice any thoughts, acknowledge them without judgment and just let them go. Let them drift away like a leaf floating on water, and bring your awareness back to your breath, to your breathing, and to the present moment. In doing so, you're connecting your mind and your body in the present. Breathe in, hold 1, 2, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2. Breathe out 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold 1, 2. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly, very slowly, become aware of your surroundings, aware of your body on the chair or your bed, and of the reality around you. Continue to breathe gently and slowly open your eyes whenever you feel ready to do so. When you find yourself in the midst of stressful situations, just the deep breathing while counting your breaths can be practiced in the actual situation.